Hello friends, today we will discuss the functional areas of management. There are two things. One is functions of management and other one is functional areas of management. As far as functions of management are concerned, we have studied that planning, organization, direction, coordination, motivation, control. These are the functions of management. And as far as functional areas of management are concerned, they are as follows. First functional area of management is marketing. We should not confine the meaning of marketing to selling, because marketing is wider than selling. Selling means simply flow of goods and services from seller to buyer, while marketing focus the need of the buyer, while selling is the need of the customer. So we can say that selling is only a component of marketing. In marketing, we try to satisfy the customer, probable customer, and we want to sell our product. We are selling our product in marketing, no doubt, but our main objective, main aim is to satisfy the customer so that he become our permanent customer. Because in cutthroat competition, if you sell once and your customer leave you, you cannot survive for a longer period. So need of the hour is to make the customer a permanent. And so making him permanent means you have to know what is his requirement, what kind of product or services he needs, or what facilities or what special features in the product he needs, so we can develop the product accordingly. And after selling the product to the customer, we get follow up we follow up the customer to know his reactions or what further improvement he wants in the product or services. So there is a big tie between our customer and our organization. In selling, we only sell our product, and then there is no relationship between us and the customer. There are certain marketing mix we study in marketing, say for example product, price, promotion, place, etc. The next functional area of management is production. Marketing and production, these are the two basic functions of an organization. In Taylor era, production was the main theme of the organization. Taylor said maximum production is the key for the success of an organization. So heavy machinery, mass production, mass productions means mass selling of product is the key or a very crucial issue for an organization to survive. So when we produce something, it certainly means we need machinery, heavy machinery, automatic machinery, we need material, we need persons. So in production, we manage all these kind of things. Another one functional area of management is purchasing. Purchasing is a activity. Because our production is heavily dependent upon our purchase or procurement. Purchase or procurement both are synonymous to each other. Purchasing means 5 R's. 5 R's means right material at right place at right time in right quantity at right place. Right at right price. So you should forecast what kind of material we need, and at what place we need it, at what time we need it, and in what quantity we need it, and last but not the least, the price. So purchasing material for the organization so that the organization can produce production, and organization can can sell these products to earn profit, etc. So purchasing and production both are correlated. Then another functional area of management is personnel. Personnel means the manpower or human resource of an organization. After Taylor era, we came to know that it is the human resources which is the most important feature or the most important resources of our organization. So our emphasis shifted from production to person. In personal, we plan, we organize, we direct, we try of manpower. So recruitment, selection, promotion, motivation, controlling working conditions, etc. all are determined in the personal area. Personnel management emphasize that if we have the best human resources, there is no doubt that our organization will not survive or grow in the market or in the competitive area, because human resource is the most precious, and it is the resource that control and handle all other resources. So main function or main emphasis of management is to get the maximum return from the human resources. And last functional area of management is finance. Finance for doing all other functional activities like marketing, production, purchasing, personnel, we need finance. So forecast for the organization how much finance will be needed and the different sources of the finance, because we know in a modern management world, when a organization needs such a huge money, the businessman or the owner cannot put all his own money in the organization. He borrow from money from different sources. So different sources have their own costs. So what are the costs from acquiring money from different sources? A comparative study is made, then we get the finance from the market or from the financial institutions. And once again, the finance must be available at the right time in the right quantity. So managing financing, forecasting financing, and handling the financing is become a crucial issues. So these are the different functional areas of management. So students should not confuse between functions of management and functional areas of management, because both are two different things.